Bridging the Third Eye to Crown Meditation, a visionary tantric yoga meditation technique from the Vijnana Bhairava, 1,000-plus-year-old compendium of Dharana, Bhavana, and meditation instructions from Kashmir Shaivism. This is Melissa Abbott, your podcast host. It's now time for meditation. First, sit easily and comfortably with an elongated spine and make sure to relax your shoulders and neck. You want a very steady posture. If you are sitting on the floor, make sure to place a pillow or folded blanket underneath your seat so you can elevate your hip crease slightly higher than your knees. If you are sitting in a chair, place both feet underneath your knees, feet flat against the floor with your ankles underneath your knees. We will start the meditation by grounding through the hips, spinal column, and sits bones. Imagine you are a tree and you have subtle imaginary roots into the ground below you. If you are sitting in a chair, imagine these roots growing through the bottom of your feet into the floor. Your body is a living tree, and you feel your spinal column like the trunk of a slender tree, perhaps a birch tree. Strong, true, solid, aware. Let your breath flow easily in and out of your nostrils, slowly and gently, in and out. Keep one-pointed attention on the space in the center of your head. When you breathe in the prana, the enlivened Shakti, feel the vibration of this energy enter the center of your head. The breath expands as you breathe in, and as you breathe out, it contracts. In and out. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel the energy of your breath start to gather in the third eye area, the place in the center of your head between your eyebrows. Feel your one-pointed inner gaze directed upward as you feel your prana slightly expand and contract. Your mind becomes pure thought-free awareness. As you breathe in and out, your mind melts into a state of pure consciousness. Pure consciousness between your eyebrows in the third eye center. The energy gathers in your third eye, expanding and contracting as you easily and gently breathe in and out, breathing consciously, breathing continuously. Now, let your breath come up to the third eye area, and it begins to feel like you are breathing in and out of your third eye. The energy of the center of your head melts into your consciousness. It melts back into a type of pervasiveness, right into your very self, your central self in your third eye, breathing in and out. You continue to breathe in and out, expanding, contracting. The third eye, the middle of your head. Make the focus the center of your head, holding the awareness, holding the space for yourself, holding the energy, the prana shakti, breathing in and out of the center of your head. As the energy gathers in the third eye, in the middle of your head, allow your inner gaze to turn upward, and allow your inner gaze to be fixed on the energy gathered in the middle of your head. The breath continues to pass in and out through the center of your forehead. The energy gathers, the breath comes in, it expands, the breath goes out, it contracts. Now, through a process of imagination, envision the gathered energy in the center of your head becoming a bridge of light. Imagine a bridge of light. Imagine a bridge, however it comes to you. It could be a ray of light, a rainbow, a beautiful path, an arc of light. The breath continues to pass in and out through your forehead. Now allow the breath, the inhalation and the exhalation, to cross that bridge and climb up to your crown area. The prana energy subtly moves across the bridge into the space above your head, the crown chakra, the upper dwadashanta. Let your exhalation dissolve into the space above your crown. Dissolve or melt your consciousness into the crown with your breath. You may envision a swirling matrix of crown energy above your head as you allow your mind to move into infinite, spacious awareness. All this spaciousness expands and contracts as you breathe, as your breath comes in through your third eye, and as you exhale, it crosses the bridge from the center of your head to the crown. Awareness expands. The breath flows back to the center of the head, and then again crosses the light bridge to the crown. Expansion, contraction, breathing in and out, crossing the light bridge from the center of your head to your crown chakra. You may perceive jewels of light and consciousness swirling like a distant universe in your crown area. Allow or observe the expansion of the crown. Your full awareness has touched the space of universal consciousness. You feel the connection to the infinite. You merge. You resonate. Meditate on the awareness of your divine nature. Allow the light of your crown to illuminate your entire being. Feel this light as infinite universal love. Allow this energy, the infinite swirling consciousness of your crown, your connection to permeate your entire being. Experience the sacredness of this light. To come out of the Dharana, bring your full awareness back down into your body. Allow it to sink down into your heart area. Through the central channel, bring this awareness, this light, this consciousness into your body. Ground it into your hips, your thighs, your sits bones, your legs, your feet. The energy of the Crown Chakra flows and floods your entire body. It expands and radiates up and down, back and forth, front and back. Allow this light of your crown to permeate your entire being as your attention flows and grounds into your body. You feel the light of this consciousness connecting to all the senses: sight, touch, taste, your hearing, your innermost self. You have the realization there is no difference between the crown light energy and my physical body. I am penetrated and permeated by that light. I am lifted to the plane of consciousness that is of one heart and mind with love. Only love, joy, and truth can come to me and from me. Bridging the third eye to the crown, I am freed. I am showered in light. It's been my pleasure and privilege to lead you through this dharana and meditation. You can find more visionary tantric yoga meditations and yoga nidra on iTunes, Spotify, YouTube, and Podbean. Please subscribe to Melissa Abbott Yoga and Meditation Podcast to get weekly meditation and yoga practices, including Yoga Nidra and Visionary Dharanas from the Vijnana Bhairava. Namaste all. Om. Shanti. 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 Satgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.